Hi, I'm Marna, and this is a Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am participating in a collab that Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley has put out to the doll community. And the word this month, she gives us a word each month, and then we can do anything we want with that word. It's a lot of fun, and you should catch up with Tammy. Her link will be below if you'd like to participate in these. This month was supernatural. You know me, I like to do something different. So I did an angel with Darren's help, with a lot of Darren's help. First of all, angels are supernatural in our minds because what we call natural isn't necessarily the natural of the universe. Hebrews 13:2 says, "Do not forget to show hospitality to strangers, for by doing so, some people have shown hospitalities to angels without knowing it." I am pretty sure I have. Darren spent 4 hours. When I said I wanted to do an angel, he asked me about wings. And he spent 4 hours on each wing for this doll. I love this. I had started out with a full-size Blythe, and then I was actually going to do the midi Blythe. But when I heard how long it would take to do these wings, look at that, aren't they gorgeous? I opted that the 8 hours would be long enough for the mini Blythe. The stands take, any of those of you that are interested, 2 hours and 45 minutes for the mini stands. And I was going to put shoes on her feet. Darren makes these little slides or mules or slippers, whatever you want to call them, on the 3D printer. What did he tell me? 2 minutes per pair to make these. And then I put them in a cup of hot water and bend the tops over. I'm getting better at it. And then I just added a little jewel. Her little crown, which, I absolutely love in the midi size, Darren said took about 10 to 15 minutes. He couldn't remember exact. I am loving my girl. I made a little clown outfit. I wish I could hold her better, but I don't want to mess up her wings. I took a little clown outfit that I made, and these are actually pants that looks like a long dress. I like it, and I like that it covers her feet, and that's why I did not put shoes on her, but then she slides in the stand a little bit. So that is my supernatural miniature Blythe for the supernatural collab. Thank you so much, Tammy. Again, if you'd like to join in on Tammy's fun collabs, we will link her channel below and you can get a hold of her that way. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. It seems so short for all the time that Darren put in. Please like, comment, and subscribe.